Kajubab na US Jaishankar halor ka jingkam jung Donald Trump. Badai mau ubalap penyasuk ya ka India bat ka Pakistan halor ka jingya penibor jungki hakini kisngi badang sudah.
But the ceasefire, the cessation of firing and military action was something which was negotiated directly between India and Pakistan. We made one thing very clear to everybody who spoke to us, not just United States, but to everybody, saying, look, if the Pakistanis want to stop firing, they need to tell us. We need to hear it from them. Their general has to call up our general and say this. And that is what happened. And we are very clear with them that they need to discuss with us. We are open to their discussing with us and ending to terrorism. It has got to be a serious stop. It is something that we need to do between us.
Menteri Kambari ka India kata US Jaishankar ulak kentat tenge yaki jingkam jung presiden ka US Donald Trump ba ulong unong penyasuk hapreng ka India bat ka Pakistan dakaba penskem baka jing pensange yaki jingyele persya dangshen kadai kabala urlong lengba ka jingya kren bet hapreng kiniki artli kiri ba marjan haka jingya kren bat ka NOS kabadon han Netherland US Jaishankar ula bataipnya kumno ka jing penhiar ya ka jing kala jia shisha hoot ngidon kalat ban ya kren iwe ya iwe lengba kapun kumta haka shipho tarik ubraime deki shipai Pakistan kibala pha ya ka khobor bakila penkre ban sangeno ban siat bat ngila jubab katkum kata kani kala jia hadin baka India kala penlong ya ka operation sindur kum ka jubab ya ka jingsha thombor ha Pahalgam ha ka arp artarik benai April kabalashim ya ka jingim cuki arphong ringut kiriu pajba haba ukam bakiri ba per kenthop ya ka US kilakner yala kakti ha kapor jong ka jinge US Jaishankar ulap penskem baka jing penbait ba shisha kadai kaba na baro arliang mamla hoot ka US kaladon hakari Amerika ka pausai ba menteri bari jong ka US Rubio bat Vice President Vance kilakot Rubio ulaya keren bat nga Vance ulaya keren bat menteri badu jongi kidon la kajong ka jingmut bat kidang ya keren bat ngidang ya keren bat kaliang ke Pakistan kumbalong shisha ketu ni kiwi pat kiri kidon ketu ni kiri ha golf kidon ketu ni kiwi pat kumju laong US Jaishankar ata kajiahi habang itep haba artli kiri kia kendo kalong kabat tenrai bakiri haka pertai kinkot kumban peni ya ka jing smokya jongki bat kaba kila banle hakum kani ka jinglong jingman handrai ka jing sange paniasiat bat ka jingle shipai kadai ke kaba layak ren bet hapdeng ka India bat ka Pakistan ngilayak ren shaib ha ya kawe kamat habaro ibalayak ren bat ni om tang yakari Amerika handrai habaro dakaba ong pet ladak ki Pakistan ki kwa ban pensange ya ka jingya siat ki don kam ban ya thu yangi ni don kam ban yo sngo naki uhe shipai chungki uhapan khot ya uhe shipai jungi bat ong ya kani bat kata kadai kabalaja ula benrap hakati ka jingi keren bat ka NOS Jaishankar ula pen pauru ya ka jinglong baskem chung ka sarkar umadi halor ki kam leno kham haswa Donald Trump saisin ula dawa ya ka burom halor ka jing penyasuk ya ka jing sange tma chung ka India bat ka Pakistan dakabong baula penbet ya ka lengba ka khayi ka pateng US Jaishankar ula pen skemru bawat lada ki jingyele persya ki badang ya chakmat kila sange handrai ka khobor bak pongsan chung ka operation sindur ka dangyai peteng namar bakadon ka khobor ka basai haka jingele balada don kikam kibakum kita kibangilayoi haka arp artarik ubnaime kan sadon biang daka jubab yakileno.